Did you know a Chinese philosopher once woke up and couldn't tell if he was a man or a butterfly? Zhuangzi lived 300 years before Christ. He created some of the deepest wisdom through simple stories that turned normal thinking upside down. His most famous tale goes like this. He dreamed he was a butterfly, flying freely without a care. When he woke up, he wondered, am I Zhuangzi who dreamed of being a butterfly? Or am I a butterfly now dreaming of being Zhuangzi? This wasn't just a clever riddle. It revealed something powerful about reality and who we think we are. Zhuangzi taught that forcing outcomes creates suffering. Instead, he believed in flowing like water around obstacles. He told stories of crooked trees that survived because they were useless to cut down, of disabled people who lived peacefully because they couldn't compete in society's rat race. His message was clear. What the world calls failure often leads to deeper wisdom. The best way to achieve your goals. Stop grasping for them so desperately. Sometimes the path forward means letting go.